quick kitchen tip. Very easy. Do it all the time. It's helped me very, very much. I found an easier way to make sure that your potatoes boil all the way through and you don't have any issues of them still being hard, basically raw in the center. Take your potato when it's raw before you start boiling it. Take a fork, stab the fork in the center. So let's pretend my hand is the potato. Stab the fork in. You're going to put it in like this, but in the center. You're probably going to have to wiggle it a little bit, pull it out, flip the potato, and do the same thing on the other side. Then when you put them in the water, it's now got those holes that lead to the center of it. Another thing to have a better boil and a perfect boil, add a little bit of salt. You don't need a lot. Sprinkle a little salt in with the water with your potatoes. Turn it on, let it go.